Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the run capacitor in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of needle-nose pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new run capacitor. The run capacitor is located inside the compressor compartment, mounted on its side at the rear of the refrigerator. The run capacitor, together with the start relay, assists in starting and running the compressor. If the temperature inside the unit is way above normal and you can't hear the compressor running, check and replace the run capacitor. Okay, we are at the back of the fridge here, and we're looking at this panel that we need to remove to get to our part. There are several 1/4-inch screws that hold it. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver, and we're going to take them out. Now I'm going to remove the panel. So here we have a capacitor, and it's held in place with this retainer spring. I'm going to use this needle nose pliers, and I'm going to remove it. Pull it to the right and remove it from this cutout. So now we can take it down. And now I'm going to take off the start device from the compressor. Pull it out. And we are going to expose the capacitor. Next, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, and I'm going to pry the old capacitor off. This is the old run capacitor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, now I'm going to show you where the new capacitor is going to go. See, there's 2 slots. That's where the terminal is going to go in, and also that pin at the back. That's where the hole on the mounting bracket on the capacitor will lock over that pin. So this is our new capacitor, and we're going to install it just the way I explained you. So we're going to lock this on the back on that post, and same time we're going to put this 2 terminals into these 2 slots and press it down, and it will lock in just like that. Next is going to turn it, and we're going to mount it onto the compressor terminals. We've got 3 openings here on the side, and we got 3 terminals here. You don't see it, it's deep inside. Okay, and now we're going to secure it with this retainer spring. As you can see, the lower end of this retainer spring is locked into this opening in the base of the compressor. And the upper portion of this spring we're going to install into this cutout on the top here. And push it in, it will lock. And now we can install the rear access panel. Place it on. I'm going to match the holes and secure it with the 5 1/4-inch screws. I'm using that 1/4-inch nut driver. That's the one we used before. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.